Toyota has always prided itself on listening to its customers and responding to the feedback they provide. In particular, after 20 years of hybrid leadership and more than 11 million global sales, including over 1.5 million units in Europe, the company is interested to learn from them as to how it can keep improving its hybrids and make them more attractive to new types of customers. For this reason, Toyota has decided to offer its core models with a choice of two hybrid powertrains, one providing the traditional benefits of fuel efficiency and a relaxing drive, the second building on these strengths with greater power and more dynamic driving characteristics. In 2010, the first-generation Toyota Auris was the first high-volume, core Toyota model in Europe to benefit from hybrid drive, and now it will be the first model to offer this choice of hybrid powertrains. The current Auris powertrain lineup consists of 5 conventional engines and 1 hybrid powertrain. However, reflecting the brand's continued focus towards hybrid technology, the new Toyota Auris will offer customers just one conventional engine, a 1.2-liter turbo petrol unit, and a choice of 122 HP, 1.8-liter, or 180 HP, 2.0-liter hybrid powertrains. The 1.8-liter system fulfills all the requirements that customers have come to expect from a Toyota full hybrid powertrain: silent, intuitive, responsive, and self-sufficient EV technology with low cost of ownership, no need for plug-in recharging, offering outstanding fuel economy and low CO2 emissions, and up to 50% all-electric driving on the everyday commute. Whilst continuing to reward customers with all of the above benefits, the 2.0-liter system takes full advantage of the added ride comfort, stability, handling and driving enjoyment inherent in the newly adopted Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) platform. It will offer drivers an energized drive, with more power and steering wheel-mounted paddles for a more dynamic, engaging driving experience. Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA). Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) represents the foundation for all of Toyota's future powertrain and vehicle development. It marks a revolution in the way the company designs, engineers, and manufactures vehicles, and is integral to the company's mission to build ever better cars that are more stylish, more enjoyable to drive, and even safer. TNGA introduces new, defined guidelines for the positioning of different state-of-the-art components which simplify vehicle design in key areas. The impact is on items that are largely out of sight, so designers still had the freedom to give the new Auris a visually distinctive and individual look with a lower stance and more appealing proportions. The new Toyota Auris TNGA platform guarantees a more rewarding driving experience thanks to a center of gravity, multi-link rear suspension, and a more rigid body shell through the use of high-strength steel as reinforcement in key areas. All contribute to better handling and stability without compromising ride and comfort. All new TNGA-based vehicles prioritize the highest active and passive safety standards. New Auris is designed to meet the exacting standards of independent crash testing programs and provide increased safety levels through the sophisticated functions and systems of the latest Toyota Safety Sense technology. Design. Our primary goal with the new Auris was to create the most bold and dynamic hatchback on the market, without compromising on interior usability, explains Simon Humphreys, Executive General Manager, Toyota Global Design. Harnessing the low center of gravity afforded by the TNGA layout, the vehicle is light and agile in the side view, yet as we move to the rear, the architecture transforms to create a solid, wide, and low stance that is absolutely critical to the European market. Longer and lower than its predecessor, the new Toyota Auris adopts a significantly more dynamic design and more striking frontal styling. Overall length has increased by 40 mm, all of which has been absorbed within a longer wheelbase. Importantly, the overall height of the new hatchback has been reduced by some 25 mm, whilst the cowl height of the vehicle is a significant 47 mm lower than that of the current model. The result is a sleeker shape and a more attractive, lower bonnet, which in turn improves safety by giving the driver a clearer forward view. The new frontal styling is a further evolution of Toyota's under-priority catamaran and keen-look design philosophies. Beneath the curved front edge of a flatter, clamshell bonnet, the narrow upper grille incorporates a central Toyota logo and, At its extremities, new, all-LED headlamp clusters with integral daytime running lights, DRL.